to a showing in Seymour, Tennessee, and just kind of want to do a little bit of an informative video for you guys about when you go to a showing, if you have a good realtor, what you should expect. A good realtor will pull all the documents on the listing, and like the tax reports and the lot lines, any kind of deed restrictions, things of that nature. If there's septic information and stuff, and they really ought to have a copy, to hand you while you're at the showing, and you can kind of get an idea of where everything lays, in the property itself, like where's the septic, lateral field, stuff like that. Tax reports, things of that nature, just so you're really informed while you're there, so you get a real good feel for the property.
Another thing that we provide is a comparative market analysis that looks at the property, and whether you're selling or buying, we'll give you comparables of other properties within a 3-month period that are on the market or have sold and that are in the general vicinity, and it just gives you a true market value and helps you in the buying and selling process. If you have any questions, message us, so we'd be glad to give you some real estate advice and help you search for property. Follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube at Tennessee Realtors For You.